welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys doing? How is your day? How is your life going? Mine is fine. What's on? So as I was saying, guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, don't hesitate, don't forget to subscribe. And I see subscribe, and that is it. Welcome to the family, Bianca Girls TV. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be using my palette. I've already concealed, I've already used concealer to set my eyes, and then I blend it with this very brush over here. Okay, so sorry for that, my light, I don't know what is wrong with this light. Sometimes it's always like that, even if I think I've reduced it to the last maximum, to the lowest. I mean to the lowest. Okay, it's no maximum, in minimum. Okay, so as I was saying, guys, I'm going to be using my M.A.C palette. I'm going to be using this Bianca palette here. This is my palette. Okay, so this is how it is. All the color is so. Let me add the lights. Okay, sorry guys, let me add the lights so that you guys can see it. Okay, look at it, look at that, 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 look at that. Okay, so this is my palette, guys, and that is it. I'm going to be using it to do my makeup, but in case maybe you are interested of this palette, okay, let me know. I'm going to be using the nude that I have here, this very nude. I will use it to set I will use it to set my makeup now, and using it to set my makeup is just for me to hold my concealer. Okay guys, so guys, the next thing is this yellow over here. I'll be using this, my yellow, my palette, and I will use it to blend. Yeah, I reduce my light, so this is the lowest level that this ring light is. It's just as if I'm not using it, but just for me to hold my phone. If not, you can see upon the lowing, the thing is still shiny. Okay guys, these are the three brushes that I'll be using now. The next color to go for, I'll be going for this 1 and 2. Okay, to the first color here, I will just go direct to on my upper crease this way. Okay, then blend it out. I don't know what is wrong with this, my ring light. I think I need to buy one that is more bigger than this, so, or maybe because I'm not sitting down also. Yeah guys, I'm not sitting down on this video. This is not a sitting down video, because I just need to do it as soon as possible, so quick, the quickest makeup ever. That is what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so that is it, guys. Okay guys, I'll be going to this brown, to the brown that I have here. For that brown, I will just type it in, and then I go this way, I tap. You can easily draw your hand this way, or just do the way I'm doing. You blend, you type, you blend, you type. Okay, you touch, you blend, you touch, you blend. On your outer V, yeah. Okay, on your outer V is always good. You use something brown to just pop it out and to shape in it. Okay, so that is it. With concealer, I'm gonna cut this side, so don't worry. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to be creasing it now, just like the one I did this way. Look at that, guys. Okay, so I will just go this way on top of my upper crease, and I take it down. Okay, then tap to the concealer and take it down. Okay, so I'll be using this orange gold. It's orange gold, so this is what I'll be using here. Just tap it in and then go. This palette is pigmented, like is high in pigmentation, like as how pigmented eyeshadow should be. This my palette is amazing, you know. So just going to be tapping it and see the way the color is going. Okay, and it is going so beautiful. Okay, so now I'll be aligning it and fix my lashes off camera. I'll be doing a separate video of how to fix lashes. Okay, so I don't want this video that long. Okay, keep watching, and that is it. Okay guys, I just used my 2 MAC here, and the foundation is this one, MAC 40 and MAC 50. So these are the 2 foundation that I just used. Now I will be using my concealer. I want to do everything off camera so that the video will not be long. Okay, so guys, I'm using my Benny powder. You can see that, YouTuber. I'm using my Benny powder to set it. Okay, YouTuber. So as I was saying guys, this my palette is a multifunction palette. Just look at what I'm going to be doing today. You see this glitter over here? This is what I have on my shake. Can you see that? You can see through my shake. Look at that. And I can also use this brush with the same eyeshadow palette as the highlighter with this brush here, just like this. Look at that. Look at that, just to tell you how it is. Look at that. Look at that. And I will go with this brush and then I blend it. Or you can easily use it this way to do your makeup. Okay? Can you see? Look at this place, guys. Look at it. Yeah. This is a multifunction palette. Okay, in case you need this palette, let me know. Okay. This is the palette I used to wish Mommy Naomi Plus Glam happy birthday. Okay, so this palette is a bit, and I will be using it as blush. Okay, so using it as blush, I will just take this 1, 2, 1, 2, like the 2 color I used earlier before. 1, 2, and then I go just only 1 and 2 blush. Okay, can you see that? Okay guys, with the same 2 color, 1 and 2, with a little bit of gold, and I did this to my forehead. But can you see that? You use it this way to, you know, shaping, mostly when you have a diamond shape of head, you know, diamond, triangle, depends on the shape of the head you have. Just use it to glue the corner of your head. Okay, look at that guys, look at that. Can you see that? So that is it. Okay, okay guys, this is the finishing of the full look, and I believe you love it. That you love the glow, and that is just the over there. And sorry for my life, sorry for anything that is not perfect. I'm still a young YouTuber trying to edit with my phone. It's not easy. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like and hit the notification bell so that whenever I have another video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. My return subscribers, I appreciate every one of you. May God in heaven bless you all. Please, your Bianca, the Little Girls TV.